Hi guys, in this class we will discuss about JavaScript comments, how you can provide a comment in the JavaScript. Every programming language contain a topic of comment. You will study about comment in the Python, in the HTML, in the CSS, in the JavaScript also. You will learn about comment in the JavaScript. There are different methods to provide comment in any programming language. So to learn how you can create a comment, you have to learn or you have to understand why need of comment. So JavaScript comments. No compile. The compiler is the software that translate or read source code, and the JavaScript comment will not be compiled with the compiler or any other software or translator because it ignore all the tags or anything else written in the comment. So it is not display on the browser. When you write any comment in the source code with your JavaScript coding or with your HTML coding, that comment will not display in the browser. And it is for the developer, not for the user. So when we write any comment, it is specially for the developer. Developer only can read that comment for their help or for their remembering anything else or to explain any code. It will be for the developer, not for the user. User will not be see any comment in the front end. So it is a part of source code, not a part of user front end. Another is to write extra about the code. For example, you write any code, you want to explain that code in the source code or in the document, you can use comment to give extra information about the code. This is the same point that if you want to explain your code or provide extra information about that code, you can use comment. What are the advantages to using comment? One of them is easy to understand. For example, if you write different code to develop different functionality in a your program in the JavaScript, when you explain your code, then it will become easy to understand for another developer. Good look to avoid any execution of statement. So if you want that this statement should not be display or should not be execute in the browser, you can use this statement inside a comment. Then this code or this line of code or this statement will be disabled and will not display in the browser because you avoid execution of this statement using comment. Another is a types, different types of comments. One of them is a single line comment. So method is used to provide single line comment. This is a two slash you have to provide a single line comment. Another is a multi-line comment. Multi-line comment is this syntax slash static and static slash. This method is used to provide multi-line comment. So these are different discussion about the comment. We go to Visual Studio Code and provide a practical how you can write comment in the JavaScript program. In the Visual Studio Code, first of all, you have to create a new file and save this file. Comments in javascript.html. So next what you have to do, I have to just copy this basic structure and paste here and just remove here and comments in JavaScript. I forget to change their title name, case sensitivity, and the variable in the semicolon program. You have to also use a semicolon. So in the comments file, comment in JavaScript file, first of all I want to display a or to declare variable with name a and its value will be a 10. To declare variable, we often use a var keyword. Var keyword is used to declare any variable. So variable declare with name a, its name is a and its value is 10. So I want to display its value. Document dot write a. Open the file in the browser, comment in the JavaScript. I close all the other tabs. You can see that 10 value is displaying here. This value is a displaying here because a contain a value of 10. So I can also use comment here using a 2 slash and I write here a variable contain 10 value. So this is a comment. It explain this code. This line is explained using a comment, so it will not display in the browser. When you right click and view page source, then you will see that comment. So in the source code you can see, but in the front end you cannot see any comment. It will ignore it. So this is a single line comment, and I can also use here comment displaying value of a to browser. So this method will be used when I refresh, and the get else did not display here because I am writing in the comment method. So another is a multi-line comment. So this is a method of multi-line comment. Multi-line comment you can write in the paragraph for many lines you can use. So this is a multi-line comment, and you can also, for example, a is a variable. For example, document dot write how are you, and you can see that how are you displaying. If you want that this statement this line of code should not be displayed, then you have to put 2 times slash, so it will become a comment when you refresh. So this is method is used to avoid any statement or set of statement to execution. So and there also you can also use here document dot write 2 + 3, and when you can see that result is displaying here. You can also enclose or make this line of code using a multi-line comment. For example, cut here, paste, so it will not display in the front end. So these are different method or different types of comment you can use in the JavaScript. Anyhow, if you face any problem and issue while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.